Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your bank account on Etsy. Go to etsy.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to create one first. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right and select Shop Manager from the menu. In your Shop Manager dashboard, find the Finances section on the left-hand side. Click on Payment Account. If this is your first time setting up payments, you should see the option to link or verify your bank account. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the verification. Once completed, your bank account will be verified and ready for the transactions on Etsy. And that's it. That's how to verify your bank account on Etsy. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.